Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through connecting your smartphone to your Tesla Model 3 via Bluetooth. This allows you to make hands-free calls and stream your favorite music and podcasts seamlessly. The process is generally straightforward, but we'll cover everything to ensure a smooth experience, including troubleshooting tips for common issues. First, on your Tesla Model 3's touchscreen, go to Controls, then Settings, then Device and Connections, and finally Bluetooth. Select Add New Device. Next, enable Bluetooth on your smartphone and put it in pairing mode. Select Tesla Model 3 from the list of available devices on your phone. If prompted, enter the passcode 00 or 1234. Your phone should now be paired. Once your phone is paired, it enables hands-free calling through the Tesla's microphone and speakers for clear, safe conversations while driving. Control your calls using the Tesla's touchscreen. Tap to answer, end, or mute calls with simple, intuitive buttons. The steering wheel buttons provide convenient access to call controls, allowing you to answer or end calls without taking your eyes off the road. For media playback, Bluetooth streaming supports popular music apps, including Spotify, Apple Music, and Pandora, providing wireless audio entertainment. Enjoy seamless streaming from apps like Spotify with high-quality audio delivered through the Tesla's premium sound system. Volume and playback controls are available through the Tesla's interface, allowing you to adjust sound levels and manage your music with ease. While Tesla's system prioritizes its own native apps for the best experience, Bluetooth provides a dependable alternative for streaming from external music services. Tesla's V2026.0 update introduced Smart Pairing, an AI-powered feature that learns your phone usage patterns to automatically prioritize and connect your primary device. This reduces manual pairing steps, making connections seamless. The system detects your main phone through repeated usage and handles reconnections automatically. Smart Pairing works with compatible software versions, supporting iOS 18 and later, as well as Android 14 and newer operating systems. However, Tesla maintains a proprietary ecosystem and does not natively support Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, relying instead on its own integrated systems. Sometimes you might encounter connectivity problems, especially with certain Android devices like the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. The signal strength can drop, causing interruptions in calls or media streaming. A common fix is to forget the device on both your phone and the Tesla, then repeat the pairing process. Start by forgetting the Tesla from your phone's Bluetooth settings. Then on the Tesla, navigate to Controls, Settings, Device and Connections, Bluetooth. Select the device and choose Forget to remove it. After forgetting, repeat the pairing process. On the Tesla, go to Add New Device in Bluetooth Settings. On your phone, enable Bluetooth and select the Tesla Model 3 to pair. The connection should now be stable. Tesla's support forums indicate a high success rate for initial pairings, but firmware updates often address lingering bugs. Always check for the latest software updates on both devices. The Tesla Model 3 utilizes Bluetooth 5.0 Plus, providing low-latency audio and data transfer for seamless communication and media streaming. The Tesla acts as the Bluetooth host, scanning for nearby devices and establishing a secure connection with your phone. When pairing, the Tesla gains access to your contacts, call logs, and media libraries to enable hands-free calling and media playback. Tesla encrypts all transferred data to protect your privacy, ensuring compliance with GDPR and CCPA standards for data protection. The future of automotive connectivity is evolving towards seamless, AI-driven experiences. Tesla's integration with Grok AI allows intuitive voice commands like pair my phone or play music from Spotify, reducing the need for manual interactions. Expect expansion of Bluetooth Low Energy for smart accessories, enabling connections to key fobs, tire sensors, and other devices. High-fidelity audio codecs like aptX HD will provide lossless sound quality for media streaming. Future iterations may introduce zero-touch pairing via NFC for instant connections, or biometric authentication using facial recognition or fingerprints for enhanced security. For optimal Bluetooth performance, Ensure your phone's Bluetooth is always enabled when entering the car. This allows automatic reconnection and prevents connection drops. Regularly check for Tesla software updates through the touchscreen. These updates frequently include Bluetooth enhancements, stability improvements, and fixes for known issues. Use voice commands to control calls and media while driving. This minimizes distractions and keeps your hands on the wheel. Commands like call contact or play song work seamlessly with Bluetooth. If problems persist despite these tips, consult Tesla's official manual or support forums. These resources provide the latest troubleshooting steps and community solutions. By following these best practices, you'll enjoy a seamless and reliable Bluetooth experience in your Tesla Model 3, enhancing both safety and convenience.